Now let's take a look at what the total reward concept gives you as an organization. What are the advantages? It gives you increased flexibility when it comes to your human resource approach. It gives you a better definition of your recruitment and retention process. Your comfort level is obviously increased because you have a total reward system which takes care of the various dimensions. Now, the potential for low cost reward solutions. When you take a hard and a deeper look at your performance and your reward management systems, you get to know what are the low cost solutions for me in the reward management system. Now, because of all these efforts, you get a heightened visibility in tight labor markets. Now, when there is a crunch for labor and when your competitors are equally aggressive, your total reward concepts and your best in class reward management gives you a heightened visibility which attracts the suitable labor into your organization. Now let us take a look at basic pay. Now, salary and wage systems. The traditional concept of salary and wage is demarcated as salary is drawn by your white collar employees and wage is something for your blue collar, and wages is paid over a shorter period of time. Salary is generally restricted over a month's period. Now, salaried class generally don't take overtime. Traditional concepts such as that, and wages and the blue collar workers take overtime. This is a traditional concept. Now, salary systems, what do they strive to achieve? Grade structure. Any organization should have different grades, and grades should consist of jobs, and jobs should have pay levels. So organizations classify jobs into various grade structures so that there can be a pay progression, and pay structure varies according to the different job levels and across grade levels. Now, what are suggestion schemes? Now, an employer is ready to pay for his workers if they suggest, just for suggestions to improve workplace activities, to increase productivity. Now, any of the suggestion goes through and it results in improvement, that award will get the due recognition which it deserves. Team based pay. What are the different types of team based pay? Gain sharing schemes, value added schemes. As I mentioned earlier, the suggestions or any workplace activities gives improvement in a profit or in quality levels. The value which is added can be shared across your departments. Scanlon plans are frequently provided wherein the entire plant workforce can share the profits. And profit sharing schemes are, if the organization makes a good amount of profit, a portion of it is earmarked for to be split into the workers. What are ESOPs? Employee stock option plan, which is very common in the modern age. Employees have shares in their own company as part of a reward management concept, which they can encash when the going is good for the company and they take a deeper commitment level because they own the shares of the company. So non-cash incentives. Let us take a look at non-cash incentives. It might be your extended holiday entitlement, or company cars, or employee assistance programs, insurance for your family members, catering services like subsidized canteens, recreational facilities like membership to gym facilities or your local community clubs, allowances beyond what is mentioned by the statutory legislations, discounts or preferential terms when it comes to your own company products. Let's say you are an FMCG company, you can offer products to your own employees at discounted rates. So education programs, supporting part-time or distance education programs for your employees to gain advantage in their career and to give them an edge when it comes to moving up the career ladder. This is how you can motivate your employees compared to your competitors' efforts. Family friendly policies, like you have a day wherein you can allow your employees to go home early, calling it a family day, giving him more time to spend with his family in a particular day of a week when there is a lean period. So these are family friendly policies. Now let's take a look at a video. A creative ad, and that is an organization which knows how to value the efforts of its team members and individuals. Now, I wish all the organizations adapt such innovative procedures to reward performance. Moving on. Now, what are the objectives of the benefit packages we just mentioned? Now, the basic premise is to attract and retain your best staff in term with your long-term objectives. Now, encourage commitment. Now, you have to derive maximum commitment from your employees towards the organizational values. To demonstrate corporate social responsibility, by paying a little higher and by giving better benefits than what is prescribed under the law or what your competitors are giving, you are demonstrating a quality called corporate social responsibility, that you are taking care of your employees. To promote desirable behaviors and values, what is the most desirable behavior that you like from your employees and what should they project? Now, to encourage those kind of behaviors and to establish a value system, you have to design benefit package in line with those values. To offer rewards, give them rewards which motivates them and which makes them work better and with a higher level of motivation to search forward. What are the advantages of flexible benefits? Now, before that, let me explain what is the concept of flexible benefits. Now, all of us are not motivated by the same thing, or each individual has different levels of motivation and different things or activities which triggers their motivation, which makes them move towards the next level. So it is always better to design flexible benefit packages for your different segments of employees. Youngsters will be motivated by some different types of things, let's say, and your senior workforce will be motivated by insurance schemes. Now, when it comes to your youngsters, it can be gadgets, and when it comes to your middle-aged people, it can be, say, a trip to a holiday destination. So different sectors of your workforce need different kinds of benefits. It is always advisable to have a flexible benefit package. What are the advantages? Now, employees have the choice to select benefits. Now, it is up to the employees to select the benefit package which is more suitable to them. Management support of diversity. It shows that you as a management are supporting diversity and you are encouraging your employees to give the best by giving a diverse range of options in terms of benefits. Promotes work-life balance and skill development. Let us say you have certain benefit packages which gives free PC or a time off for certain educational programs. You are directly or indirectly supporting career progress, and in a way you are motivating your workforce, and by promoting work-life balance. Capitalizing on motivational value of benefits. Since this set of benefits is chosen by the employee himself, he feels highly motivated when it is compared to a standard set of benefits which is prescribed for all. So this is a set of benefits which that employee feels this is the best fit for me, so I will work towards achieving that. So this capitalizes on the motivational value of benefits better than your standard benefits package. Your total cost of compensation. By designing an intelligent reward and flexibility management system, you might actually bring down your total cost of compensation. Now, by way of reduced insurance premiums, by reducing the absenteeism rates and increased motivation level, in a way it totally contributes to the total cost of compensation.